Today we're going to look at the division of fractions. So let's begin with an example. 89.356 divided by 0.06. So what we have to do first is make our divisor a whole number. So just a couple of terms. This is our divisor or divisor, however you want to pronounce it. And this one is called our dividend. Okay, so these are a couple of terms that you may see. When this is written as a fraction, this will be familiar. Zero, 6, 3, 5, 6. Okay. You'll remember that our dividend is the same as our numerator, and our divisor is the same as our denominator. But when it's written like this, you may often see that it's called a dividend and a divisor. So that's just one thing to make a note of. Now, coming back to this, first thing we have to do is change that to a whole number. So what do we do to change 0.06 to a whole number? Well, we have to times it by 100. So we're going to do that. We're going to times this one by 100. And we also have to times this by 100 as well. Okay. So let's rewrite our equation now. So it will be 6, and we've got now 89.35, because we've moved the decimal place, 0.6. Okay, so we've moved the decimal point 2 places here to make 6, and we also have to move the decimal point for this number as well. So that's why we've included 3.5 and then the decimal point. The rest of the equation is just simple division. So 6 into 8 is 1, 2 remainder, 6 into 29, 4, 5 remainder, 6 into 53 is 8, so that's 48, and 5 remainder. 6 into 55 is 9, to 54 plus 1, and 6 into 16 goes twice, with 4 as the remainder. Now we have to add some zeros. So 6 into 40 is 6, 4 remainder. Let's see what's happening. So 6 into 40 is 6 again, and we're going to have 4 remainder, etc., 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 on to infinity. We obviously here have a recurring digit, so we can put a dot there. Also, we have to put in our decimal place for our number there. Okay, so what we're left with is, this is actually called the quotient. So that's another term you may see. It's not commonly used, like dividend and divisor, it's not commonly used, but you may see it, quotient. Our quotient is 1,489 and 26 recurring.